Why do physical game launch dates have lead times? Imagine eagerly awaiting the releases of a highly anticipated video game, only to find out that the physical copies will not be available on the same day as the digital version. This situation is common in the gaming industry, and understanding the reasons behind these staggered releases dates reveals a complex web of logistical, manufacturing, and strategic factors. One of the primary reasons for lead times in physical game launches is the manufacturing process itself. Once a game has been finalized and approved for production, physical copies need to be printed, assembled, and packaged. This process involves printing discs or cartridges, creating artwork for the packaging, and assembling the final product. Manufacturing facilities often operate on tight schedules and requiring several weeks to produce large quantities of copies. The complexity increases when special editions or collector's items are involved, as they may include additional content or unique packaging that requires extra time to produce. Another critical factor is distribution. After manufacturing, physical copies must be shipped from factories to distribution centers and retail outlets worldwide. This involves coordinating with logistics companies to ensure timely delivery across different regions. Shipping times can vary depending on geographic location, customs procedures, and transportation methods. For international releases, additional delays may occur due to customs clearance or transportation bottlenecks, which are beyond the control of game publishers. Strategic planning also plays a significant role. Publishers often choose specific releases dates to maximize sales and minimize competition with other major titles. They may aim for a releases window that aligns with holiday seasons or school breaks when potential customers are more likely to purchase new games. Setting a lead time allows publishers to synchronize manufacturing and distribution schedules with these strategic goals, ensuring that physical copies are available in stores precisely when demand peaks. Furthermore, quality assurance and certification processes are essential before mass production begins. Games must pass various testing procedures to ensure they meet safety and quality standards. Any issues identified during testing can cause delays, requiring additional time for revisions and recertification. In summary, physical game launch dates have lead times due to the intricate combination of manufacturing requirements, logistical coordination, strategic planning, and quality assurance. These elements work together to ensure that players worldwide can enjoy the game on the intended releases day, even if it means waiting a few extra weeks for the physical copies to arrive in stores.